What up, everybody? Good morning. Welcome to the show. Excited to have you this morning. Excited to get after it as well. Let's kind of dive right in it. Looking at the calendar for today, we are clean, no data, nothing today. So should be a good day to trade. Again, kind of get right into building that pre-market plan. Hopefully, we got plenty of time to do it as we start today. Again, SPY yesterday had a nice rip, so not going to avoid TLM with that. Don't really love anything. We are coming up to some all-time highs, so we are coming into supply, but I think we've been so strong. I don't really want to short this, as most people don't. Tesla was looking for something yesterday, didn't actually get in. Was looking for an entry around this area on the 50%, didn't get in, and we're gapping down. So we'll see. It still holds true, but with that gap down, I want to be more careful. With TLM in mind, let me just erase my drawings. So with TLM in mind, um, I don't really love it. Like we're coming into demand, we should bounce, but Tesla's just been so reliably dumpy, as one of my good friends would say, and it's just kind of terrible to try to long. IWM was able to almost catch that yesterday. Looks solid for a move higher. It's just a matter of when. Kind of gapping down, so form some supply here. Could do something like this where we kind of chop down, come into like this demand or stop on these lows, or even like stop on these lows, come back inside. Don't know really how I want to play this yet, so just want to see how we open. But put my alert right in there, kind of near demand. Add it to the long watch list for potential shorts. I just think since we're gapping down, if we come up and we like, let's say we reject this supply, I just don't really think we're going to continue lower. So I'm more bullish on it. Looking at Meta. Let me remove drawings. Looking at Meta. Let's wait for TLM to load. Um, could be solid. Could be a solid potential TLM play. Again, you see this huge buy candle right here. That gives me a good bullish sign. Let's see if we can pop out and come back in. Meta is notorious for moving very fast at open, so we'll kind of see what happens. Let me add that to the greens. Looking at Apple, again, remove my drawings here. Looking at Apple, we do have some supply up in here, kind of some higher time frame supply up in here. Um, we are gapping down as well, so there'll be some supply up in here. I truly think. Let me just see this. So if we come down, and we have some demand, so we have demand here, right? So I don't really want, again, another stock I don't really want to short, even though we have been somewhat weak. I'd like to see us come down in here, either stop on this low, come back inside, or come down into demand and react. So I'm going to put my alert basically at the bottom of TLM and see what we can get for another long setup. Looking at Amazon, was able to catch this yesterday. Because of this big move, I want to be mindful of playing this. Basically, we have it's it's a fair value, yeah, but not really a single print as we would play. I feel like we're just gonna be stuck in the middle here. We kind of have, demand and we have supply up in here. So I just feel like we're going to be stuck in the middle. I'm just not going to look at it for now. Maybe as we open, we'll see what happens. Looking at AMD, good day of balance yesterday. Again, another potential ticker where, again, good day yesterday, gap down, could see us gap higher. We're opening up outside. We'll see if we can kind of get inside and see what can happen here. But again, leaning more bullish there. Basically looking for demand hit, come inside, or even better, stop on the low. Buyers really come into play. So we'll see kind of what happens there. We'll just see what happens. Looking at, so I'm going to Shopify swing, looking okay there. Google, as the market's opening here. Let's check a look at Google. Google, I think the TLM is a little too tight to play. Just going to avoid it. Again, I avoided. Yes, let's look at the Qs. Qs could be playable either way. Kind of similar to SPY though. It's just strong. Come up here, react, rotate lower down to demand. If we stay inside, start to push lower, stop onto lows, come back in. Could be playable either way here. Let me actually remove my drawings. There we go. Could be playable either way. Let's just see what kind of happens. Again, we got 8 strong in here. Love to see it. And then Nvidia, yeah, probably not gonna. Let me just move Qs up as a possibility. So we got IWM. Let's go down to a lower time frame. Let's see kind of what's happening here. So pushing up, not really what I wanted to see, but I could see myself shorting this if we come down in here, down to that alert. I could do that. I'm just really leaning. Let's put my alert. I'm just leaning more bull on IWM, so I want to be careful. Meta again moves extremely fast at open. Let's see if we can come out and come back in. Let me get Meta pulled up because Meta will move so fast. Anything you guys are watching this morning? Yeah, do like the 495 calls. Oh, I could even do like the 497 calls. Yeah, I want to see. So we got big move down. I want to see boom, 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 boom. Spire step in and push this back higher. We'll see what happens. Apple, what's IWM doing? Yeah, strong. Apple, you're waiting for this low to be taken out. Could even come up like if we stop on highs and rotate lower too, but I think I'd rather play longs. AMD, yeah, just need to see AMD buyer step up and then look for acceptance. Qs, like I said, needs to come up, come back down. SPY, probably not going to play it, but I just think like look at SPY. So let's say we do come out and come back in, right? See what we have blocking us. We have demand right there. So it's just not going to be too pretty. Again, utilizing supply and demand with the triple line method in this. So Ryan Spalding looking at BA. Let's look at it. Bro, I probably already missed it. BA is freaking wild. Yeah, I already missed it. Would have been a great. So this is how I would have played this. So because we gap down, we have supply here, right? I would want to see supply be taken out or tested and acceptance inside, and then we push higher. Because we rip right through it, like you don't just want to get in here and do that with supply in the way, right? Did it work this time? Yes. It just does not work, 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10 times. So just have to be mindful of that. You want to see a clear path to the other side. What's this red line? Oh, what the heck? So yeah, big zone. Tesla with the rip it open. Don't really like it for TLM though. Same thing, like we could accept it, we could pull back, we could accept inside, but see what we have blocking us. All right, I just don't like it. All right, AMD down, Apple down, Meta, come on, pop out, baby. Meta would be clean. IWM strong. So like I said, I was pretty bullish on IWM, but yeah. Let's get people in here if they're not. That's probably not the right link, is it? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what data does. I'm really hoping. I hope we stay kind of just flat because I got shares buying today. My weekly buys on Wednesdays at noon. Yep, sitting on hands as well, Frank. Just sitting on hands. Let me eat my sandwich. Got some Jimmy Dean croissant or biscuits from Sam's Club. Fire. I used to when I was like learning how to become a disciplined trader, I used to like fast until I was done trading. I was like my thing, like trade hungry kind of thing. But now I'm just like, dude, screw that. I actually know what I'm doing now. Let's just keep looking. I'm not. Yeah, Amazon looks really strong. Again, could have been a solid supply and demand trade. Microsoft. Okay, hey, this is interesting. Okay, very interesting. I don't like how we just dump straight through. I don't really like how we don't have a high to put a stop at, but completely missed this. Was this yesterday? Nah, nah, nah. I'm gonna avoid this. I'm avoiding this. I'm avoiding this. Why? Yesterday was such a big trend day, right? We zoom out. It's such a big trend day. Not really in balance. So yeah, I just want to avoid that. Doesn't really fit. Will it rotate? Probably, but again, not really fitting my parameters. Netflix, that looks good. Honestly, we hit supply. That would have been yesterday. Kind of reacted. See how we didn't have any pullbacks here though, right? We had a couple 1 minute pullbacks, but if I go to a 5, there's not a pullback, right? So we never really formed any type of low here. So if I want to get short on Netflix, this is what I want to see happen. I want to see price push up back into the supply or this high and stop on it, right? Show me that sellers are here and then dump, right? That's when I want to look for shorts, right? Until then, I don't want to do anything. Until then, I don't want to do anything. So um, here we go. BA could be playable now. BA could be playable, but why did we react there? There's got to be a reason. There's got to be a reason we reacted there. I like it though. We'll see. That BA moves like a madman, man. But um, let's see what we can do here. So spreads are about $30 apart. I definitely think this is something that's playable. Stops at 182.87. Yeah, I definitely like that. Let me put. Yeah, I like it. Let me put my entry at the mid. See what we can get. Let's go. I like it. Let's see what happens. The one thing is, whenever we get this close to rotating, and then we don't, there's a reason. But I like it. I do like this. My entry's about right there. I like it. Stop's going to be below that low. I'm going to target the top. I could even target the high here at 1.5. I'll probably target that high, but I do like it. I do like it. Again, the negative thing is this dump. Why did we rotate there? Why did we dump there? But I like it. Got a good fill. I set the OCO. Yeah, really good fill. Yeah. Let's go. Let's ride it. Again, Mark. So again, the spreads are going to kind of mess me up. So I'm going to do my target. I'm going to set it at 185.4 to help with that spread. And then obviously my stop is going to be at or below 182.8. Again, market close, but this should hit. This looks good. Yeah, this should hit. But looks solid. Good find. What the? Oh, dang it. I set my OCO up wrong. Well, I just made $50 on Boeing and I set my OCO up wrong. Dang it. That's frustrating. That's super frustrating. Oh, well. Well, that's super frustrating. I set my OCO up wrong. I had yeah. Oh, well. Oh, well. Out of Boeing, but it made $50. It would have been 150 $50, but that's okay. Scott, you said RUM, RUM, Rumble. Do you like run screeners or I feel like every time that you have me look at something, it's already made a move. It's like pushing highs. So I mean, the move happened in my opinion. It's either It's either wait for a pull, like see the move happened here. Oh, Apple, Apple. Okay, okay. Let's come into let's do that. Let's come into demand. Let's come back out. Let's do that. I'd love to see that. Let's see it a little bit lower. Man, I'm so mad at Boeing, bro. That is so frustrating. Oh well. Yeah, with rum, it's like I mean, I had the I went over it in my video or maybe it was last week, but the move happened there, a really good trade, right? We come back, right? We're in a solid uptrend, right? You want to be catching moves here, right? So let's just look at like this picture, okay? We have high, low, high, lower, low, break, right? So let's say this is our break. Ignore that lower low there. Didn't retrace 50%. That's our break. Okay. We're starting that 5-minute or 15-minute downtrend. We break it. Okay. This is what you'll learn in the if you go through the mentorship program, you'll learn this exact setup, right? Again, let's say my trading plan is boom, I want to target this high. Okay. I don't have my 1-to-1 risk reward. Enter at 50% pullback. Boom. Now I have a 1-to-2. Simple. Right. Simple, simple, simple. Right. Now the move has happened. Right. The move has happened. Now we have to wait for price to look like this again. All right. We have to wait. So we broke this high. Okay. I don't want to get long now. I missed it. Wait for price to cool off. Wait for it to come back. Wait for it to form a mini downtrend and wait for that downtrend to break. That's when you want to get in. Yeah, I'm personally not going to take BA again. If you got in at 450 in shares, are you looking for a target or what are you looking for? Yeah, you looking for a target or what's up there? I'm tempted to re-enter this. I really like it. I really like it, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. Should I enter about right there? Let's see. Look at that. Like, look how buyers showed themselves. Yeah, this looks good, man. Let me set up my freaking OCO the right way. All right. Order rule. Mark at or above one. What a sniper, man. 185.4 at or above. Okay, boom. OCO. Stop. Market at or below 182.8. Maybe that's why. Maybe I did at or above before. 182.8. At or below. Okay. Send. Perfect. Now I got even a better fill. Let's freaking go. Let's crush it. Come on, rotate. Okay. In that. And don't really do alerts on which contracts, etc. But I am in the 182 calls for Friday. But again, that's not an alert. But you're probably too late now. I always do no less than 1 DTE unless I plan to take that trade longer than a few hours. Then I'll do no less than 2 DTE. But like TLM is supposed to be done in the first couple hours, or the first hour really. I'll do 1 DTE minimum. But anything other than that, usually do 2. Like basically I do weeklies until Friday and then sometimes Thursday. Like Thursday I'll do like Qs and SPY I'll do like Monday. On stocks I'll do 1 DTE but in the money. The further you get into expiration, the further you get closer you get to expiration, the further in the money you want to go. So let's kind of see what happens here. But looks good. I won't be taking another one. Maybe we'll see. Yeah, if it hits my stop, be down about $100 on the day, so should be good. Bullish on BA because it's just TLM. Bullish on BA because the rules for triple line method, price comes out, or should we start outside? We come in and we accept. So time plus volume inside. Sellers tried to push us out and they failed, right? Yes, we're making lower lows, but we're accepting inside of TLM. That's why I'm bullish on it. Meta came out. I don't love it. Apple, see no signs of. So see how we come out, we come back in, but there's really nothing to really show me. This would be more like that would show me more, but I really like price to come into demand. We just got to see kind of what it does. Meta kind of same thing, kind of like a boom, 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 and then rotate. Let's see if buyers actually step in. Hopefully the rest of the market doesn't sell off Boeing. Boeing should be good. I think my stop's in a good spot. INTC for TLM. Yeah, looks good. Let's see if we can. Yeah, this looks good. Like the entry right now. Stop here. Like I said, it looks solid. 1-to-1. Looks really good. You could even wait for more acceptance. See how we haven't really had we haven't really had one 1 minute candle close. This was like the first 1 minute candle close. If this candle closes inside, it'll be the first full body candle inside. Just kind of wait. If we do push higher and you start to miss it, see if we pull back. Right. See that? Like just wait. Wait. I think it's good though. I think it looks good, right? It looks good. Looks good. But let's just kind of wait for it. We haven't had a full body 1 minute candle close inside of TLM yet, right? No true acceptance yet. Just wait. Need to make a higher high. Good group. Boeing just ripped. Let's go. Let's freaking go, BA. Let's go. That's what we needed. That's what we needed. BA is honestly the king of freaking balance theory, dude. of TLM. I love it. Man, that biscuit's good. Let's go, baby. That's what we want to see. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Let's get it. Hit TP now. Want to move higher? We should be rocking. This is something too. You really could have your target all the way to the full rotation. I just like targeting liquidity before it. That's just my personal preference. Just because of do like equal highs and stuff. But that's just mine. Like I even with a 1 to 2 risk reward, I could even have targeted right here. Right, but I'm just confident we'll do that. Just gotta hit TP and then we're kicking with grease on BA and really nothing else. Love catching bags. Love it, love it, love it. I can just automate and chill with it. Amazon still really nothing. Apple, no buyers showing. Meta, yeah, truly no true buyer. This kind of here shows me some buyers, but really nothing great. And IWM is done. Yeah, see how even though we pop out and like let's say we stop on these lows or we break these lows, there's no buyers stepping to push us higher. That just shows me that sellers could be in control here. So I just want to be careful. Just want to be careful doing that. Let's see what we can do here. Should be fine. Boeing just moves kind of dumb. Should be good. Let's see with this high. 185.11 whole number. Nah, should be fine. Should be good, truly. I don't really think there'll be much. Yeah, there shouldn't be much like theta decay. Yeah, it should be good. Let's hit it. Let's hit it, baby. Oh, sorry. Do I? Yes, I do pay attention to single prints. Yes. Yes, I do, Steve. And AMD broke. I thought that Mike. I'm sorry. I always thought that said and broke yesterday. I was like, what? AMD. Let's look at it. AMD broke yesterday low and popped a little. Yep. So it did pop. What we need to see is, so we need to determine, okay, is this high strong, right? Does the break of this high give us the probability that this high is going to be met? I would say no. It does not give me a high enough probability. However, what I would like to see is us to break this high, pull back, and then break the next high. That would give me really good confidence to take a trade just like this, right? Given the proper risk to reward. Just the break of this high doesn't really give me too much confidence, but really good find there on AMD and good idea. Like see me. So let's just say stop hunt. All right, stop hunt. Okay. In order for this to be a confirmed stop hunt, I need my downtrend on this 1 minute to change. In order for that 1 minute downtrend to change, I have to determine which high is the relative high or the strong high that needs to break in order for the trend to change. Okay. Because this high, although it retraced 50% from the previous, right? This whole move, if I go to even a 5 minute, there is no pullback, right? So I want to see price start to continue up. As price continues up, just like I have drawn, boom. Now, what are my confirmations? I have price stop hunted the low of the previous day. Price change trend on a lower time frame. Price accepted inside of TLM. Boom. That's 3 solid confirmations for this trade. Boom. The more confirmations you have, the more you're going to win, right? With 3 confirmations, that's going to be that's a 100% A plus setup. That should have about a 75% win rate, right? So again, it's just about waiting now. There we go, baby. Patience. I just TP now, honestly. My patience is twitching a little bit. I don't like having patience. Oh, come on. I'm having patience. Pay me. I'm come on. Come on. Watch it just like dump to my stop. All right, baby. Yeah, really not a watcher typically. This is why. Um, Steve, are you noticing any single prints in play you wanted to look at? Just hit TP on BA. Really solid freaking trade. If you caught BA with me, freaking like this live right now. That's a banger. Good job. Okay, cool. Yeah, I did see one. I forgot what it was on. Was it Amazon? I think. Yeah, right here on Amazon. Um, Good job on BA. Let's freaking go. We'd love to see it. Apple coming into demand now. Yeah, so like one way you could play Amazon here, right? So this is why I didn't like it because we're kind of in between again, higher time frame demand. Appreciate. Higher time frame supply, right? Patrick, I'm done before 10 a.m. Man, what a work day. You know what I'm saying? Just kidding. But we're between a higher time frame supply and a higher time frame demand, right? When we're in this middle ground, right? Again, it's like it's scout mode, treacherous waters. Okay. We do have this single print here. Okay. Again, a single print or a fair value gap. Again, it acts as supply and demand. Okay. So one way you could trade this is again, us pushing into the single print and holding, right? I would still say it's fresh because it's next day, and then having that change in trend. Then I could really, I could play something up to this supply, just like that. Again, is it more risky, more dangerous? Yes, just due to the fact that when we're in between 2 zones, higher time frame, right? Typically just leads to chop, right? Typically best to just play an iron condor with your 2 legs or your legs being the supply and demand. But yeah, that's just showing that. Yeah, really good trade on Boeing. Made about 330, 329 on that. Really solid. Really solid. So I think I ended up making more because of this awesome fill down here. I think I was up like 349, and then the spread at that because I sold market at target. So my target I had it set at 184 because of that. So it should have been a little bit higher, but I think because this move was so fast, the spreads didn't catch up in time. That's the one thing with Boeing and those spreads. That's why you want to trade tickers with close spreads. But yeah, see Apple into demand. I really don't think this is going to be something that I play today. There's absolutely no buyers at all. There's no aggressive buying at all. So this demand zone will probably fail. It also failed to make a new high anyway, so it's going to be a little bit weaker. I bet it fails. Like it's not. It doesn't look good. Meta's coming up. It's kind of the same thing, right? So let's say we have high, low, high, lower, low. Let's say we break. Oh, let's look at Qs. Got the alert coming out, coming out. Could have taken SPY. Like it was that. I mean, I wasn't going to, but there's just so much blocking it. But that's what I want to see for my long term stuff. I want to see this go a little bit lower. What was I looking at? Meta. So we have high, low, lower high, lower low. See if we break, right? So how I would play this is, okay, if we break here, we'll target up to here, right? If we take this high out before I enter, boom, and then we start to pull back, I target up to there. Again, just working in fractions. All right, working in sections. Boom, boom, boom. Right. Again, I think this has potential. We're forming a strong low here if we do break structure. Again, it's going to give me a little bit higher chance to win and a better risk to reward. So I could trade something like this, nice 1-to-1, or even like this, nice 1-to-2. Could do something along those lines there. I just don't know if I like it enough. I need to see some more acceptance, but this doji candle, I think is what it would be called, and push higher gives me confidence for sure. But let's just see. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, Google did rip. Yeah, it ripped right at open. Nice. So this is an example of supply and demand, lower time frame change trend. So we gap up, we form demand, we break structure. Stop below the low. Got the identified target. We got, let's just say we got supply up in here. All right, target up to there. I got a nice little freaking 1-to-6 hour trade. You're getting more of a swing, but target 1-to-1 up in there, 1-to-3. That's reasonable for today. Feels nice. Feels nice to catch Boeing there. That feels awesome. I'm gonna have y'all do something for me. Do you guys have Twitter? I'm gonna post the P&L on that. I'll share the tweet in the comments, and if you guys can for me, react. It'd be awesome. I like this better. Anything else you guys are watching? I'm gonna go get some coffee with the wife. ARM. ARM Holdings. Are you thinking triple line? Are you thinking supply and demand? Are you thinking ARM? Why has ARM been so hot? Like everyone's asking about ARM lately. Is there something going on with ARM? Hello. Hello, leave a comment if you have any idea why has ARM been so hot. Like everyone's asking about it. Did I miss something? If you're thinking day trade, this is a good buy candle into like kind of a 5-minute demand. Let's see. I see stop under the low, break of this high, kind of stop on it, but we also rejected this supply. So kind of in that in between. I'd like to see. I think if we take out this supply at 131, we can rip higher up to 142.97. Failure to do so should send us lower. From a solid day trade, again, this demand zone, this supply is pretty strong. Fast move down. Wasn't able to take out a low, so it should fail. Um, that's just kind of my thoughts. It's kind of like in between. Like, is there a reason why it's so hot? Like, basically, this is why I'm asking. Um, so Rav Noel asked about ARM for TLM. He asked about it yesterday too, like 4 or 5 times, and so I just don't know. Did I miss something? See, meta's looking good now. See what I mean? I just didn't take it, but that's what you want, right? We form a strong low, we rip higher, right? Let's say you missed this. Oh, IPO lockup. Okay. Um, for those reasons, I'm out. I'm not trading it. If it's hot, if retail traders are trading it, I'm not. Tell you that. And for those reasons, I'm out. Shark Tank. Um, caught BA. Meta looks good. If you guys caught Meta, congrats. I love it. It's gonna hit. Really good. Really good trade. I was just kind of done for the day. All right, y'all. If you guys can do something for me, I'm gonna ask you guys to do 2 things. Okay, if you're watching right now, like this live video. Okay, go and like it. Help me out. Help me out. Like it. Like it. Like it. Like it. Second, okay, I'm gonna post a link to the tweet I just put out with Boeing Profits talking about, you guys doing it on here. Awesome fun. So fun. Hope you guys caught it. Again, not doing, try not to do alerts, but I get pretty bad at it. But if you can for me, click the link in the comments, okay, in the chat, right? And go and interact with that tweet. Like, retweet, comment. I would really appreciate that. Be awesome. Would greatly appreciate that. Dude, other than that, I'm done for the day. So really, really good day overall. Really, really good day. Solid trade on Boeing. Really good trade. Really good day. Um, kind of excited to see how the rest of the day plays out. Again, I do have long-term buys going in. Basically, this is my. Blah, 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 blah. I have buys for VU and SCHD going in. I have that every single Wednesday, and then what was the other one I have set up today? VICI going in today, semi-dollar cost average zone. So as long as it stays in this area, I'm buying constantly. TXN, let's go to weekly. TXN, it's a little bit high. It's a little bit overvalued right now. So I just own like I think one share. It's a little bit overvalued. PR, it's undervalued, but I'm up. I got in around $6, $7. It's been right here. I'm sorry, it'd been $9. But my friend actually works there, so it's been crushing. O is another good, long term. Definitely want to mess with that. Um, Appreciate you guys liking liking up the tweet. Got Judy, got ADS if he's in here. Got Dennis. Appreciate you, Dennis. And then I got CDJ. Hopefully, I think she's in here. But appreciate you guys. Really do. Thank you guys so much. 3M. So this is like a good dividend yield stock. It's not really a good dividend growth stock. Um, I don't really know how I feel about it. They've been a company that's been kind of, in the dump the past couple of years. They've just been doing down, 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 down. I think they still have potential. They still increased their dividends, so they still have free cash flow. There's lots of stuff that is good about it. And then KO, again, a little bit overvalued here. I was able to get in early January or late January with it, but a little bit overvalued there. And then Dollar General is like my bread and butter. I love it. Awesome buy. My dad owns it too. Awesome buy. I did see that if you guys are a follower of stonks, right? Family Dollar actually shut down like 1,000 stores due to their Dollar Tree, Family Dollar. Dollar Tree and Family Dollar connected. Dollar General is a separate company, but I'm curious to see if that can affect Dollar General as well. I believe their earnings. I think they had earnings just recently. Oh, it's tomorrow. So we'll see kind of what the earnings do there. It could be one that just dumps on us or on me, but it could be one that they beat earnings and it rips. With the Dollar Tree Family Dollar shutdown, again we'll kind of see what happens. But Dollar General is separate. It's a separate company. But again, they closed to bolster their profits. Typically, that's good for investors, right? Especially if that stock pays dividends. If again a closing doesn't, it's not always bad. Let's see. Let's actually look at and see what Family Dollar did. I think it's actually Dollar Tree is the stock. So yeah, it did dump. It did dump, but and it's not always bad. A shutdown of stores is not always bad, right? Um, it's not always bad. It could lead to, again, increasing their cash flow, increasing their revenue, due to that, right? It's just a part of a business, just part of business growth and development. Again, I'm not a big Family Dollar guy, Dollar Tree guy. I have friends that love Dollar Tree. We have a Dollar General here where I'm located that's slammed to the brim constantly. But we'll see how earnings goes here. Hopefully they beat it, and they do eye the Golden Cross. Had a Q4 earnings, so could be good. Could be good. Could be good. Might talk to my dad about Family Dollar dumping. He was just he's really not an investor. He kind of just gets his advice from me. He went and bought Costco yesterday. He bought Costco yesterday on this big red day. And he's up pretty good now. He's up. I mean, I think he bought 30 grand worth. Nothing too crazy, but like 4 or 5 shares, 6, 7 shares. But yeah, Is there anything else you guys want me to look at? I'm just rambling. Just trying to eat up time, eat at the clock here. Anything you guys want to look at here today, or other than that, if there is nothing, I want you to one thing for me. Um, if you guys have any interest at all, or you want to learn more about what we do in the mentorship program and how we can help you with your trading, um, go ahead and DM me in the vault, or on Twitter, DM me as well. And I'll send you guys a free kind of walkthrough video of the program in its whole, and see if you guys would enjoy doing that. Again, no pressure to join. Just laying that out there that it's we do have some spots open this month. Love to have you. If you're in, see if you're a good fit, kind of go from there. Netflix, again, I was waiting for kind of a supply rejection coming back in. We haven't hit supply. You must have not, maybe you weren't in here, Judy, but again, I want to see aggressive sell. I want to see a stop on the high and then aggressive sellers push us lower. That's what I want to get short, because there's no real pullback. Now we have a strong low. If we take out this high, that would give me confidence that trend is changing. But for now, nothing on Netflix for now. Just waiting. But yeah, other than that, again, my DMs in the vault, you're good. DMs in the vault are 100% open. Again, I'll post a recording in here as well if you want to go watch. Obviously, it's gonna be on my YouTube. But yeah, send me a DM. And be happy to kind of walk you through the steps of what it takes to become a profitable trader, and walk you through that, what it looks like for you, and see if it's something that you can achieve. Right? For me, it took mentoring, it took help. I wasn't ashamed to ask for help, but it changed my life, and now I'm in this position I am because of that. Thanks to Jordan. So, again, we'd love to help you. Okay, we'd love to help you. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your day, and good luck if you guys take any more trades. I'm out. Peace, y'all. Actually, look at that. Let's do this. It should work. There we go. Peace.